If you want to draw around something freely, then you can use the draw tools right here. And in this video, we are going to focus on the brush tools right here. So I already have the brush tool selected and I am in the expert mode. And what you can do with the brush tool is you can work around with the size of the brush, as you can see, and click and drag around, and there you go. That is what you have. Right now, I have the opacity set to 19%, but if it is 100%, then you can see that you can simply freely draw around. You can work around with the size of the brush over here as well, and right click to get different brush options, choose, and then draw around just like that. You can work around with the mode as well, but before that, I'm going to change the color of the brush, and I can click on the color, choose the color that I want, and press OK, and you can see that I can draw around with that color. You can go around with the blending mode right here, and let's say you want something like an overlay right here. You can work around with the size, and then there's an overlay drawing going on right here. Similarly, you can go around onto hard light, and there you go. That sort of blending mode is applied right here. You can go to brush settings right here as well and work around with different parameters, scatter it out just like this to have different type of brushes. So there's spin light right here, as you can see, and there you go. Then so now the brush changes out right here. You can go for exclusion, as you can see, just like this, and so forth, as you can see. So brush settings are there for hardening the brush, and you can see the sample of the brush according to the settings that you chose right here. Change around the angle right over here, and this is what you have, as you can see. You can go to tablet settings as well, and if you're using a tablet, you can work around with different parameters right here so that it more suits your tablet needs as well. So that is how you can work around with the brush right here. And this is the brush mode, and this right here is the airbrush mode, as you can see right here, which has a different result. And let me just go around over here onto mode, and let's go to normal mode right here, and let's go around onto the brush size, and let me just go around, decrease out everything right here. I decrease out the shatter, the spacing, and everything right here. Decrease out the fade right here, and then increase out the roundness right here, just like this. So once this is done, you can see that it is straight again, and then this is what you have. This is the brush mode, as you can see, and this one is the airbrush mode right here, more like an airbrush drawing. So over here there's impressionist brush tool over here as well. So if I were to go around, then you can see that it more does like a smudging right here, just like this, as if you're mixing water to it right here. You can work around with the size, and then you can work around with the brush, as you can see, just like this on this one, and work around with the mode over here as well. So you can make it more saturated right here, and so forth, as you can see. You can go to the advanced mode and then work around with the tolerance level as well for the brush. So there's tight shot, so you can go for dab, as you can see right here. So more like a dabbing. You can work around with the size and more like a dabbing right here, and so forth. So you can go around and try out different options for this as well. So besides this, you got the color replacement tool as well. So let me just go around, and you can see that it does more like a color replacement. So you want to change the color of this right here, you can just go around and draw around by using this, and change around the tolerance level as well. You can go around with the mode right here, so you can make it more saturated, as you can see right here, or work around with its luminosity, as you can see, and work around with it. So there's like limits that you can set over here, and you can also work around with the brush settings like the spacing right here, the hardness, as you can see, and then similarly there's more spacing right here, as you can see right there. So anti-aliasing can be turned on or off for this, and here you can see that there's like samplings that you can do as well, as you can see. So you can work around with different options and experiment with around with these tools to get whatever result you want and draw out freely, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can use the brush tools inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.